Is managing your marketing a constant juggling act? Struggling to keep all those tools working together? Let's explore how GoHighLevel can help you grow your business faster with its all-in-one marketing solution. Using piecemeal solutions can create confusion, inefficiency, and missed opportunities. GoHighLevel combines everything you need into one powerful platform. Streamlined processes, manage leads, customers, and communications all in one place. No more logging into multiple platforms or dealing with compatibility issues. Cost-effective. Save money by eliminating subscriptions for several different tools. With GoHighLevel, you get CRM, marketing automation, and analytics, all for one price. Enhanced collaboration. Foster better teamwork with shared access to projects and campaigns. Everyone stays on the same page, boosting productivity and performance. Robust analytics. Gain valuable insights into your marketing efforts with integrated analytics. Make data-driven decisions to optimize your campaigns and drive growth. With GoHighLevel, you're not just using tools. You're leveraging a comprehensive system designed to scale with your business. What challenges have you faced with your current marketing tools? Share your experiences in the comments below. Want to ready to transform your marketing to the next level? Try GoHighLevel's 30-day free trial and make sure to schedule your kickoff call for a seamless start. The links are in the video description below. Grow your business faster with GoHighLevel, your ultimate marketing partner. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more insights. Thanks for watching.